You can be the this time champion. Sure.
All right, you guys
Off he
take
goes.
the deed. You might
Make sure
need
you
to
have a clear and established safe word, and don't let it touch you.
We have a big nerd pole to build, Lewis, so good
Oh,
luck.
okay. Cool. Have fun.
Okay.
Bye.
Oh my god, first one there wins the
Bye.
prize.
See you in space.
Oh crap.
Hey,
I'm
good luck.
very far behind already. Oh, this
Hey,
is
maybe
not
you
good.
should get a jetpack next time.
Yeah, I can't believe these guys actually have them. That's bullshit. Alright, good luck, fellas.
Okay, he's gone. All right, let's
All
go
right,
make
sweet.
a nerd pole. Come on.
Let's do
Follow
it.
me.
Let's do it.
I am.
All right.
Oh, Sips was murdered by Ross when we left.
I found a French fucking horn.
You what? Can I have that? I'll trade you. I'll trade you something for that. I got
What
some
have you got?
handcuffs. You want
What
that?
have you got? Maybe, watch out.
Whoa, shit! Hey, what the hell?
There we go.
You're busted, Ross. Get out of there.
There we go.
Come on, let's retreat. Retreat.
No.
Retreat. I'm not gonna. I can't help you here. He's got some sort of weird weapon. What is that?
It's zapping me.
We need the battle music. It looks like they're heading towards some sort of teleportation device. I've got the cuffs. We
cut
need
him off
some
the
more
pass.
horning. Come on.
Oh shit! No, they're here. No! No!
I can hear music. Is that you? Sips is approaching me, Kim.
Is he? Oh, I'll come.
He's got gold armor.
Oh dear. Run?
I'm running.
I'm coming to you, but
He is actually properly chasing me.
I'll come. I'll come. I
Why
don't
is
have
there
gold armor,
music?
but I have a jetpack.
Can you hear this music?
No. Is it creepy?
It's him. It's him. He's got a horn.
I'm having a showdown with my French horn right now. She doesn't quite know
shit.
what to do. Maybe it's like a confusing song.
She's fucking perplexed.
Hey, I'm back.
Oh, hey,
I
how'd it
went
go?
to Deputies' castle. It was amazing.
Oh shit! I've been
Holy
trumped.
crap.
She's got
Where-
a banjo.
Fuck, that is a fucking
Damn
banjo.
it! Retreat. That is a real banjo. Holy shit! Okay,
you have
the French horn's doesn't have shit on that banjo. We're dead.
It's like a challenge thing where we're going to be playing against the other teams for a challenge. Can you turn that discordant crap off? It's awful.
What are you talking about?
It is awful.
I kinda like it, actually.
It's,
It's
I
raising
hate
morale as we speak,
It's
Lewis.
not. It's just a cacophony of noise.
Why do you
My
hate
God,
music?
I'm going to get so angry before we even started.
Why do you
Jeez.
hate music?
There's a fucking emu behind you. What are you gonna do about it?
Quiver in fear.
Oh, Jesus. It is awful. I'm actually about to kill you. I got given a reward though.
That is so rude. I've practiced so long and hard. I'm like Jimmy Page in my room with this battle tuba, like 8 hours a day practicing, and you just turn around and say that's awful. Well, here, take this stupid enchanted book. I'm going by myself. That's right. I'm on my own team. I will not suffer these hostilities. Shit, I'm dying in quicksand, guys.
Already. What do you mean you're dying in
Well,
quicksand?
look it. What am
if
I
you
supposed to
instantly
do
got
here?
sunk,
I can't get out of here. I'm
Six.
gonna die.
just
All right.
no. What? Just
I'm
dig your
going
way
down in
out.
style. That's it.
Oh shit, no, he's
I'm
dying.
gonna die, guys. How do I get out? Jeez.
I got a shovel. I got a shovel. I'll dig you
Shovel
out.
me
Holy
out.
shit. Fuck.
I
This
just
stuff
died.
is really awful. I don't even know.
shit.
When did they
No,
add
I'm
this
not
to
going to save
Minecraft?
you until you turn that stupid tuber off. Jesus, it's the worst.
Come on.
It's making me so angry.
I'm in a real predicament here. I gotta
Just
check
gonna
myself
kill
out.
you.
Jeez.
Kill him. Jesus.
Holy shit. Okay,
not the
it's
French
golden
horn.
apple time. Oh God. Okay, fine.
Don't
Lewis,
use the golden
fine.
apple.
Well,
we are the worst.
What?
To Deputy's Castle, I won this, an instant survival garden.
What?
Holy
the
shit.
hell?
Oh my
This
god.
calls for a celebration, guys. Ready?
No, Sips.
Wow.
Just no.
Good
That's
work.
beautiful.
What our team's called, by the way?
Shippos.
Team Shippos.
That's like all of our names together.
Combined together,
Yeah, yeah. Into a
Form
Greek
a
waiter's
super name.
Yeah.
A Greek waiter's name.
Sounds
That's
like
right.
a Greek
Oh,
waiter.
shit.
It does sound exactly like a Greek waiter.
That's right.
Hey, you go to your local hummus bar. You're like, hey, Shippos, hit me with another one, big boy. Here it comes. It's like, yes,
hey,
sir.
Shippos.
What flavor would you like?
Hummus flavor, please.
I would
Shippos.
like hummus. I want it with extra
Hummus.
chickpea, please. Hummus.
hummus ice cream. Have you ever tried that?
No, it doesn't exist.
Okay. We are not conforming to the stereotypes.
Hey,
What
check
about
this
cube?
out.
A cube, then.
Oh, I can make smooth sounds.
There you go.
Oh, can you?
Yeah. Shall I make smooth? What does that look like?
Yeah, go for it.
We'll find out.
Oh shit! I thought he was gonna be trapped.
Stop trolling me!
Mighty Derpules wants his tuba back. Mighty Derpules can suck these nuts. Whoa! Shit!
God.
I'm dying, guys. I'm
If you
going
don't
out in a
return it,
blaze
you'll
of
be
glory.
punished. Oh, thank you,
Jesus
Tip.
Christ!
Why is?
Oh.
My... Jesus.
I'm running for the hills. I need water. Or do I? Whoa! Shit! The farm, guys! Jesus Christ!
What is happening?
He does not like the tuba playing.
He's gonna keep killing you, Sips. Oh my god. I don't even know what I'm doing in this base. I just didn't want to build a pyramid. Maybe I should have gone with the pyramid. The pyramid would have been a simple procedure, wouldn't it?
Whoa! Oh, guys, I don't think I can help. But at the very least,
What?
well, I've been shamed, but still got the tuba. So there you go. Shame
What's
on me,
happening?
apparently. Well,
They're punishing you. Derpules is...
hey,
What the hell's
Scopus,
happening?
Eat this. Got the tuba.
Just still playing it.
Still playing.
Spiting them. Like you're using it as like a mark of defiance.
Everybody's coming to witness me playing the battle tuba, everybody. Look at this. It's like free
Right.
advertising from Derpules. He's put me into this like center stage, and now I can live out my dreams of being a really awesome electric battle tuba player. Hey Duncan, what do you think of these sweet tunes?
He's in the shame hole.
Oh my god, that is hilarious.
Oh, oh, great.
Derpules fell out of the world. Well, I guess that's solved the problem. A few problems.
Shit! He's trying to kill me in here, but I'm safe. I've got my own little tuba bunker. Oh, shit, I'm dead. Guys, something terrible has happened today.
What's happened today, Sips?
I was destroyed, and somebody stole my battle tuba.
Oh, what the fuck?
How did they steal it?
I don't know. I've lost everything. And all those cool tools and everything we had, they're all gone. All that
damn it.
sand, it's all gone. All I have is this splash potion of invisibility.
Red.
Wow, Lewis. What is this?
I don't know what this is. I don't know, Sips. It's just something that I've built, and I don't know whether it's a disaster or not. What does it look like?
Well, I mean, it looks...
What? What does it look like?
Well, it looks okay. I mean, don't quit your day job.
Okay, I'm back. Holy shit, that's fucking diabolically shit. What the fuck? Why is the door off center?
It's deliberately off center.
What do you mean? That's like being deliberately shit.
Oh, it's
It's okay. It needs a little bit of work, but I think
Fine.
we can turn it into something real nice.
wow. We just don't have enough materials at all.
Oh my
here,
god,
do we?
who is this? Guys,
Who is
there's
who?
somebody has come to visit us, and it looks like it's boyfriend.
Who?
Some dude
Your
is wearing
boyfriend?
like old style three. Oh my god, he's just having a dip.
Come on in.
Sandstone.
happening?
What the hell?
What are you talking about?
This guy jumped into the water and his clothes fell off, and he's telling me to come on in. Now he's
Really?
leading me somewhere. Where could he be leading me?
What
He's
is
got
happening?
lots of zits on his back.
Holy shit, he does.
Hey,
I've got your back. I'm watching, just in case he doesn't think weird in the water.
okay. He turned around to look at me to see if I was following. All right, you cover me.
I'm a bit far away, but I do have you covered.
Okay.
Kinda.
All right.
From the roof.
Get the sniper sight on him. Shoot him in one of the.
So good.
I've got my
He's
scope
talking to
trained
me,
on.
guys. He
one of his
just said
back
this
zits.
feels so good. Yeah, it sure does. Holy crap! This is what I needed after a tough day of blowing my battle horn in the desert.
So good.
I've got my
He's
scope
talking to
trained
me,
on.
guys.
One
He
of his
just
back
said this
zits.
feels so good. Yeah, it sure does. Holy crap! This is what I needed after a tough day of blowing my battle horn in the desert. Just a nice dip in the oasis.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
all day long.
me and my boyfriend are really enjoying this, guys.
Oh, this feels
Holy shit.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah, it really does feel good, doesn't it? Ooh. Hey, you jealous, Shin? Look at me and my boyfriend are having a
No.
real fun time down here.
No.
You said no a bit too quickly.
I don't care. Do what you like. All right.
You guys have to come down here and listen to this guy. It's so good. He's like, oh, this feels so good. When he's out of the water, he has 3D glasses on. And when he goes into the water, he puts a bathing suit on. It's incredible. So I don't really know how to say this, but man, coming out to the water here today was really something else. Because guess what?
Oh shit!
Holy shit.
He's got the horn.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do I mean? I
Where
was
did you
out
get
there
that
and it did.
from?
It just appeared right in front of me. It was like God meant for me to just play my battle horn all the time and have
But
a
they took
good
it
time.
off you. I was having such a nice time when that thing wasn't around.
Hey, do you need more blue wool? Yeah.
64 more stairs. Yeah, that might be enough.
Who's attacking me? Scorpions.
Scorpius.
Never fear, guys. The battle is upon us.
Shit.
Someone help me.
Is that like your call of like,
Quickly.
save me?
Okay, Lewis, don't help me. Fine, just get attacked by a scorpion. That's fine.
Oh,
Yeah.
Where's the scorpion? I
But
don't see a
it's-
scorpion.
Yeah, watch
Hey,
this.
really?
Frog's
It's like it's a
attacking us
frog.
too.
I don't see them.
Oh,
Shin's
what?
dead.
Shin was killed by a scorpion.
I'm stuck in quicksand. I'm going down.
I can't even
no.
see you're being eaten by invisible
Oh
scorpions.
god.
They scream like frogs.
They are actually invisible to me. That is terrifying. Who's that? Is that
They
that-
scream like frogs.
is that Trot?
Oh,
The
yeah.
frog?
You.
It's
Oh, it's you,
Trot.
Shin.
Oh no, it's Shin. Phew.
What's me? Oh,
Shin,
yeah.
have
No,
you
I've
done
got
that
jetpack on. I'm just defending myself against this scorpion stinger. It's oh my god!
I can't see anything.
It's got a gyrating stinger. It's
Okay, hang on.
thrust-
What disaster.
I've got a golden
It's got like
sword.
a needle. What the fuck?
I have a golden sword. Oh my god, yeah, it is. Okay, I killed it.
Wow.
I one-shot it actually. I don't know why I didn't think of that before. I guess I was too busy.
Why is
battle
there like
tuba.
an ostrich just here in our base?
You want me to take him out?
I can't even seem to. It's just. Can you see it?
No. Why are you? You're
There's an
just
ostrich
randomly
here.
attacking nothing with an axe.
There's literally an ostrich here. There's a scorpion over here. I can see that.
I know it's early in the morning, but you're legitimately losing your mind.
Yeah, you're full of
The
shit, man.
stress
Holy
is
shit.
getting to me, guys. I think that's the problem.